The Insta360 Luna Ultra is one of the most talked about cameras of the year. And it's easy to see why. Instead of simply improving image quality or adding a few extra shooting modes, Insta360 has introduced a completely different approach to content creation. With its modular design, detachable display, AI-powered tracking features, and professional imaging capabilities, the Luna Ultra aims to change how creators capture videos. While the official global release is expected later in 2026, early information suggests that the Insta360 Luna Ultra could be priced between $699 and $899, depending on the package and accessories included. That would place it directly against premium compact cameras and creator-focused devices like the DJI Pocket series. So what makes the Luna Ultra special, and is it worth the excitement? Let's take a closer look. One of the biggest highlights is the AI-powered selfie stick mode. This feature feels like having a personal camera operator following you around. Instead of asking someone to film you or constantly checking your framing, you simply position the camera, start recording, and let the AI handle the rest. The system intelligently tracks movement and keeps you centered in the frame while walking, vlogging, or filming cinematic sequences. For solo creators, this can be a huge advantage. The footage feels more natural and professional, helping creators produce higher quality content without needing a second person behind the camera. Another standout feature is the super long selfie stick accessory. Unlike traditional camera rigs that require multiple mounting steps and adjustments, the Luna system focuses on simplicity. Connecting the camera is fast, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry during long shooting sessions. This quick setup process is especially useful for travel creators, vloggers, and outdoor filmmakers who need to capture moments quickly without wasting time assembling equipment. The portability factor alone could make it a favorite among content creators who are always on the move. The modular design is where the Luna Ultra truly separates itself from most cameras currently available. The camera module and display can operate independently, opening up a wide range of creative possibilities. The detachable screen acts as both a monitor and a remote control, allowing creators to place the camera in difficult or unique positions while maintaining full control over their shot. This flexibility is particularly useful when filming alone. Instead of running back and forth to check framing, exposure, and composition, everything can be monitored remotely through the dedicated display. Car enthusiasts and automotive content creators may find this feature especially valuable. The camera can be mounted outside or in unique locations around a vehicle, while the creator monitors and controls the shot from inside. Unlike smartphone-based setups that often lock creators into a single angle, the Luna Ultra allows dynamic positioning and more cinematic camera movements. This creates opportunities for professional-looking rolling shots, travel sequences, and automotive videos that previously required more complicated equipment. The detachable screen also solves another common problem faced by creators. Many wireless camera systems rely heavily on smartphones for monitoring and control. While this works, it often becomes inconvenient when notifications appear, calls interrupt filming, or the phone is needed for other tasks. With the Luna Ultra, your smartphone stays free. The dedicated display handles monitoring duties, giving creators a more focused and efficient workflow. Connection stability appears to be another major strength. During demonstrations, the camera reportedly maintained a reliable connection at distances of around 20 meters. That's impressive considering many wireless systems struggle with signal interruptions at longer ranges. Of course, image quality remains one of the most important factors for any camera. Thankfully, the Luna Ultra doesn't disappoint on paper. It features a large 1-inch sensor, 10-bit color recording, iLog support, Leica color science, and advanced imaging technology designed for serious creators. These features provide better dynamic range, richer colors, improved low-light performance, and significantly more flexibility during color grading. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, travel content, short films, or professional projects, the imaging specifications suggest that the Luna Ultra is targeting demanding users. Pros: innovative modular camera design. AI-powered tracking works like a personal camera operator. Dedicated detachable display eliminates smartphone dependence. Large 1-inch sensor for improved image quality. 10-bit recording and iLog support for professional editing. Strong wireless connection performance. Lightweight and creator-friendly setup. Excellent flexibility for solo content creators. Cons. Expected premium pricing may not fit every budget. Modular system could take time for beginners to learn. Additional accessories may increase overall cost. Long-term battery performance remains unknown. Real-world durability still needs extensive testing. Overall, the Insta360 Luna Ultra looks like one of the most innovative creator cameras we've seen in recent years. Rather than competing solely on specifications, Insta360 is focusing on solving real problems that creators face every day. The combination of AI tracking, modular flexibility, remote monitoring, and professional image quality makes it a very promising device. However, the ultimate question remains: can it outperform competitors like the DJI Pocket 4 Pro in real-world shooting situations? That's exactly what we'll be testing in the full review. Stay tuned because the results might surprise you.